Hey, it's Mike, and for today's stock comparison, I'm going to take a look at two dollar store plays. And both of these stores have experienced some incredible growth, but they also have very different business models. So I thought it'd be a good way to kind of compare both of these stores to see which one would be better. So the first stock I'm going to take a look at is Dollar Tree, trades on the Nasdaq under the symbol DLTR, and the second stock I'm going to look at is Dollar General, trades on the NYC under the symbol DG. So let's go ahead and take a look at Dollar Tree first. So Dollar Tree, the business model for this store is that everything inside Dollar Tree costs $1 or less. They currently have over 15,000 stores throughout the 48 contiguous United States and Canada. Now, Dollar Tree has a market cap of over $25 billion. They have a really low PE ratio in this market of just 19.5. The 52-week high was at 115, so it's currently at 110, so it's pretty close to its 52-week high, and the 52-week low is about 68, so it has almost doubled since its low. So you see here, the chart has been moving up. It seems to have these sideways movements and then moves up and have sideways movements and moves up over the past year. Dollar General is a dollar store. However, their products are not sold at $1 or less. They're just, bargain priced items. You look at this company, it has a market cap that's much larger, almost twice the size of Dollar Tree at $47.5 billion. P ratio is even better at 18.27. It does pay a dividend yield of under 1%. The stock's 52-week high is $225. The previous close at $197. The 52-week low is $135. So this is also a stock that has almost doubled over the past 12 months. You look over the performance over the past year, the stock has been pretty much stuck in a trading range and starting to move down. So you may be wondering, why am I looking at sort of dollar store plays? I actually think that the specter of inflation is actually going to help these dollar stores, which sounds counterintuitive. But when inflation happens, that means your purchasing power goes down, which means you're going to want to be you're going to try to be smarter with your money. And you're going to think, okay, what can I still buy for $1 if $1 is going to buy less? Well, by mandate, a company like Dollar Tree, the whole store has everything in it for $1. So if you need to buy, let's say, paper plates, and you say to yourself, well, I don't want to spend $4 on paper plates. I'm just going to buy $1 worth of paper plates. You're going to go to Dollar Tree. I think Dollar Tree has an edge as an inflation play over Dollar General, even though I do think Dollar General is a great store. One of the reasons why is Dollar General tends to put their stores in locations that are too small for Walmart, so they're kind of like the de facto Walmart for rural areas. So I think that's going to really help Dollar General. But I do think Dollar Tree has the edge because people know who don't have a lot of money that if they need something that's going to cost $1, they just go to the Dollar Tree and they get it. And even though we're going to have inflation, Dollar Tree will find a way to make it work. I mean, they'll probably have to package everything a little smaller in order to make the margins work. But I think they're going to be able to make up for inflation by just getting more people through their stores. So that's why I would give the edge to Dollar Tree. However, I think both of these companies are a really good place considering the low PE ratio. And I think if we do have higher inflation, naturally people are going to look at two things. They're going to look at commodities and they're going to look at companies that generate a lot of cash and that they have good earnings. And both of these companies have good earnings, good PE ratios, healthy market caps. They have very strong brands. They do really well. But out of the two, I would take Dollar Tree over Dollar General. But like I said, I think both of them are a good play. So I hope you enjoyed this comparison. If you did, please be sure to leave a like and go ahead and subscribe and turn on notifications. I do multiple daily updates on stocks, stock trading strategies, and market updates. Thanks a lot. Bye.